If you watch my Christmas vlogs, you know that I recently went and saw the Wicked movie and that I was awaiting the Wicked R.E.M. collaboration on the Elphaba kit. Well, I got it for Christmas. So let's unbox this baby and put on some makeup.
What have you got if you haven't got love?
I'm gonna start with the blush. This is such a deep purplish hue that I'm not really sure how it's going to turn out on my skin tone. If you recall the video where I followed the 1930s makeup guide, it did say that these kinds of shades are great for an olive skin tone, so let's see. I love that it's a stick that you can just, you know, pop on directly, because I do find I get a little bit overzealous with powder blushes, so it might work better for me to use something like this. A little bit goes a long way. I like that about it. I'm just going to distribute it with my fingers, which I like the fact that this has a very vintage vibe in that sense, because this is how you would have put makeup on in the 30s, 40s and 50s. So, ooh, I'm actually really liking that shade. So far I'm liking that. Now this is the first time that I've ever used a liquid shadow, so I'm a little bit nervous about that, but hey ho, here we go. It is very glittery, definite Christmas vibes. Oops, I'm too spread my concealer back out on my eyelids again because they have creased up. Should definitely powder my eye before I do this, but I'm going straight in there. Oh, that pigment is everything. So I'm not going to start too heavy, as I've never used a product like this before, so I'm not sure how far a little bit goes. So let's just see if we can spread it out. Oh, it's very easy to manipulate. Oh, I'm a serious fan of this color. It looks super dark when you first put it on, but once you spread it out, it has like a very sort of well covering but shimmery look to it that I am very into. That is absolutely stunning. I really love that. And it's enough on its own. Like, I don't even have to blend another color in there. You could even put it heavier on the outside if you want to have, you know, a gradiated effect and to darken up the socket a bit, but I'm just liking that even vintage sort of spread. They do have a sparkly green eyeliner as well, which I'm quite excited about. I'm intrigued as to how well this glides on. So let's see. Oh yeah, that has a very nice texture. It is very easy to apply, I will say that. And try and drag my eye out. Well, that did actually work. Oh, I just love this color combo. That is so pretty, just like with the green and then the dark green accent. I'm gonna pop this on the other eye because with a hand mirror, it's not really doing it for me. And see if I can tidy this up a little bit and I'll show you up close. So I finished that off and I added some thick mascara to the look. I didn't put falsies on because I wanna try and keep this kind of natural because I know the lip is a pH color changing balm, so it's not going to be a strong lip look, so I don't want to overdo it on the eyes. Let's see how this turns out. It actually, like, the lipstick is black, so it goes on sort of like a mulberry color almost, or like a plum, a dark plum, but as a balm, not as a lipstick. And I am going to overdraw my lips a bit to see whether it will color change like the whole shape. It it does sort of seem to be working. I've got to say the consistency is very nice. I kind of wish this was not something that you can only get in their kit, because this is not a standalone product, but look at that, like, color change. Can you guys see that on camera? That is significant, and I really, really like it. I just wanted to come up close now that it has been on for a little while. You can see, even though I've drawn onto my double lip line, that it has actually changed the color of my whole lip, and it is significantly darker than my natural lip color. It's very nice with the cheek color. It does complement really, really well. So that is the makeup, guys. I'm not going to put anything else on except for a spritz of makeup setting spray. This was another gift. All of this actually came from Vase and Mums, so thank you, Bernadette. I asked for the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury. Bring it in so you guys can see. I've never used this before, but I've heard wonderful things about it, so I asked for this on my Christmas list too. That smells very nice. So yes, guys, that is the final look. I really like this eye product. I have been eyeing off their other liquid shadows because some of them have the most stunning hues to them and very iridescent. So I think I will be investing in them because they have a black, a purple one, and like a very pale, almost translucent, opalescent color. I think I'm now convinced that I'll have to get them. So that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a little makeup playtime. If you like these kinds of videos, I will leave my makeup playlist down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That really helps YouTube know that they should suggest my videos to other people. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye!